What's going on, guys? It's Hot Diecast Garage, and today we're taking a look at the Hot Wheels Spider Park Attack playset. This set was sent to me by Mattel, so a big thank you to them for sponsoring this video. The box says try me, so let's give it a shot and see what this spider set is all about. Alright, so a few things to note. The creature of this city playset is a big blue spider, which is going to try and capture the Hot Wheels. And on the other side of this forest, there are some gates that connect to roads for your cars to escape. This set is a new one for 2018 and sparks motor skills while fueling the imagination of kids. The spider is just one of many cool new sets in the 2018 Hot Wheels City. Our main feature is launching the cars down the ramp, and the goal is to sneak past the attacking spider. The cool thing is that this set connects with your other city playsets and also connects to your track. Now, to get this big blue spider out of the box, you need to open it from the bottom just like the other Hot Wheels sets. The spider is almost ready to attack, but there are a few quick things to mention. In the box, there was instructions to show you how to use all of the features in this set. And they also included a Hot Wheels City poster and checklist to keep track of all the sets you still need to collect. To maximize your fun with these city sets, Track Builder really comes in handy to expand your Hot Wheels system. The spider has been watching over our car that is included in this set, and it happens to be a dark green fast fish. You can attach your orange track to the front of this set so the cars have an escape route through the gate. Big Blue the spider needs to be in the upper position to attack, so you have to push the tree arm down until it locks. Now from the top of the tree, Big Blue waits for his Hot Wheels victim. The bottom of the ramp can be moved up so cars can drive under it to escape the forest. At the top of the ramp, there's a gate that can be opened or closed to let the cars fall down the slide, and the upper ramp can also be lowered to make a second slide towards the other gate. All of the action takes place as soon as you hit the spider web. Once your car is captured by the spider, you can set it free by sending Big Blue back to the treetops. So there we have the new for 2018 Hot Wheels City Spider Park Attack. Let me know in the comments below how many of you guys are afraid of spiders. I think they are kind of terrifying, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.